In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable two-step verification on Payoneer. To get started, log in to your Payoneer account. Once you are signed in, locate your profile on your dashboard and tap on it to access your account settings. From the Profile menu, select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account preferences and security options. Next, tap on Security. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Once you find it, select Turn On to begin the setup process. After selecting Turn On, you will be asked to enter the phone number that you want to use for two-step verification. Enter the phone number you would like to use as your second authentication factor. When the phone number has been entered, select Turn On again to continue. Payoneer will then send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Wait for the code to arrive and then enter it in the required field. Carefully type the code exactly as you received it. Once the code has been entered, submit it to complete the verification process. After the code is successfully verified, two-step verification will be enabled on your account. From that point forward, you will be required to use two-factor authentication when logging in. The additional verification step will be part of the sign-in process whenever it is required. That's all you need to do to enable two-step verification on Payoneer. The process only requires a few steps and can be completed directly from the security section of your account settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.